Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send somebody a free ride in the Bird application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see two lines. Press on it and here you can just select the fourth option, which is free rides. And you can press on send free rides down below, and you can see that link up there. You can copy and paste it wherever you want, to whoever you want, or you can just share the free ride invitation in these apps down below. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.